Nick here at ChaseDetailingAutocare, and for today's video, we're going to talk about drill brushes. There are 3 different types of drill brushes you need in your detailing arsenal. First up, we got our white tip drill brush. This drill brush right here is great for when you're using your shampoo on your seats, your carpet, your headliner, your carpet floor mats. You want to use this drill brush right here to get a good deep clean before you extract the seats or any kind of fabric in the vehicle. Now next we got our, looks like a toilet bowl brush. Oh look, there's 3 of them. Okay, so we got our 3 toilet bowl brushes here. That's what I call it. So this right here, they're good for removing, breaking up any of that loose dirt and debris and the pet hair. It does a great job of breaking all that up prior to vacuuming and air gunning. So first, what we're going to do here before we vacuum the vehicle, we want to use this drill brush, break up that loose dirt and debris. Then we're going to use our air gun, go in with that. Then we're going to vacuum it and do any touch-ups if needed, again with our brush. So that would be the toilet bowl brush. Now we have our, it's a smaller version of the white one. So this one right here is really good for, I'll tell you what's good for. It's good for, you know how some cars have, the car panels have like fabricy material on the, where the door is. Okay, this one right here is very good for that when you're shampooing. It gets all the tiny little cracks, crevices of that area that you cannot get with this one. Now, next up, we have our green tipped drill brush. We got 2 here. Okay, so this one right here is good for rubber floor mats like WeatherTech, any type of rubber floor mat. We will use this right here. We got a small version here. We use this one a lot, as you can see. This one right here is a bigger version. We just use for bigger floor mats, a bigger surface area. It helps a lot. And we got our little attachment here too. Really great attachment. I highly recommend you get one of these 2. Helps a lot. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.